Hello everybody! Today's investigation is called the 10ness of 10, where you are going to be investigating all of the different ways that you could make the number 10, or all of the different ways that you can see the number 10. For the example, I am going to show you the 8ness of 8. So I will show you how to do it, and then you are going to do the 10ness of 10. So what you need is 8 counting things. Well, you'll need 10, sorry. I'm going to use 8 counting things. And I'm going to show you all the different ways that we could arrange the counters to make 8, but also all the different ways to see 8 in one arrangement. So here's the first one. It's a very simple, easy, simplistic way to see the number 8. So if you look at it, immediately, what do you see? How do you see the number 8? You might all see it differently. So some of you might see it as 4 and 4. Some of you might see it as, it's going to be much easier for you to see if I rub everything out every time. So some of you might see it as 4 and 4 this way. You get a different color pen. Some of you might see it as 4 groups of 2. Some of you might see it as 4 groups of 2 going this way. Like that. So it's still 8 every time, but there's different ways of seeing the number 8. Let's arrange the 8 counters differently. So what if you arrange them like this? Okay, I've arranged them like that. How do you see the number 8 in this arrangement? I see it as a 5 and a 3. Some of you might have seen it as a 2, 4, then maybe 7 and 8. Everyone sees numbers and sees arrangements of different objects differently. If I arrange it like this, maybe like a triangle shape like that. If I arrange it this way, how do you see the number 8? So I see it like this. 3 and 3 is 6. 6 add 2 is 8. But I asked someone earlier and they saw it completely differently. Doesn't mean it's wrong. It's just a very different way of seeing it. So I'll show you how they saw it. So I'll do the same arrangement. So remember, I saw it as 2 3s and a 2. The person I asked was like, no, I don't see it that way. I see it as a 4 and a 4. Do you see that? So there's loads of different ways that you can arrange them and loads of different ways that you can see it. So your task now is to get 10 counting things. So get 10 counting things and arrange your 10 counting things in one way. And then I want you to show me how you can see 10 using that arrangement. So just to start you off, let's say you did it this way. Okay, this is one way to arrange 10. How do you see 10 using this arrangement? So you might say, I can see 10 using 2 groups of 5. But maybe there's another way. You can say, I see 10 by doing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. then arrange it in a different way, and then explain how you see 10 in that other arrangement. Your task is to do this, but then I want you to post a video on Padlet showing one arrangement and explaining the different ways of seeing 10 using that one arrangement. And then I want you to comment on each other's different arrangements of 10. I'm really looking forward to seeing how you all see 10 through your eyes. Bye.